Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a radiator in a Toyota Corolla. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Gather all your tools, including a drain pan, wrenches, and pliers. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection to protect yourself from chemicals and debris. Having everything ready makes the process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Once prepared, position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain cock. Carefully open the drain cock and let all the old coolant completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for preventing spills and ensuring a clean workspace. After draining, disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, along with any electrical connections for the cooling fan assembly. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the hoses and fan disconnected, proceed to remove any mounting bolts or clips that secure the old radiator in place. Once all fasteners are loose, carefully lift the old radiator straight out of the engine bay. Now, gently lower the new radiator into its position, ensuring it sits correctly. Reattach all mounting bolts and clips, making sure everything is snug and secure before moving on to the next steps. Now, reconnect all the radiator hoses and the cooling fan assembly, ensuring every connection is tight and secure to prevent leaks. Slowly refill the radiator with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, bleeding any air from the system as you go. Start the engine, let it reach operating temperature, and check for any leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Top off the coolant as needed after the engine cools down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.